Hi, friends. So, we've been learning all about dinosaurs, and there's different kinds. We've got the meat eaters who like to eat the other dinosaurs. The T-Rex is a meat eater, and the Velociraptor is a meat eater. And we've learned about the plant eaters, and we've learned about the Brachiosaurus that has a long neck, and it eats plants. And the Stegosaurus eats plants, and the Triceratops. Those are just three of the ones that eat plants. So, what kinds of plants might they eat? They might eat leaves off of tall trees. We've seen that from the Brachiosaurus. But I started thinking, we eat plants. Did you know that? And then I started thinking, it's about time, it's about the right time of the year to start planting. And one of the things that I like to eat a lot is a salad. And those kind of look like leaves, like the Brachiosaurus might have eaten. So I found 3 different kinds of lettuce or leaves that would be in a salad. I found some arugula. It's pretty yummy. I like arugula. I found spinach. Oh yeah, I love spinach. And then just Bibb lettuce. Just regular green lettuce. So we're going to plant today. And, none of these look like the kinds of plants that I like to eat. Right now, they're just packages. And when you go to the grocery store with your mom, does your spinach look like this? No, that's because it grows from a seed. So we're going to look at the 3 different seeds, and we're going to plant them in little pots, little cups. So I'm going to need a few things. First thing I'm going to need to do is I'm going to put on my gloves so my hands don't get too dirty when I'm planting. So here's my glove. Here's another glove. All right, and I've got my cup. Now I've got some dirt right here. Got 2 bags of it actually. And I've got a shovel, because we're going to need to be able to shovel the dirt. We're going to dig in the dirt. So, let me, because a plant actually needs several things to grow. It needs soil, and another name for that is dirt. And it needs water, and we can water it, or we can put it outside and let it get rained on. And it needs sunshine. All right, so since I'm going to plant 3 different types of seeds, I'm going to need 1, 2, 3 cups. All right, so I've got some dirt right in there. I'm going to pull this down just a little bit so you can see my cups of dirt. So I'm digging in my bag. Probably not a good idea to wear a white shirt today, was it? All right, 1. No, I don't need to count. I'm just filling it up. I'm filling it up most of the way, but then I'm going to put my seed in, and then I'm going to fill it up the rest of the way. So, see, I'm going to put some dirt in there. I'm also kind of curious about which one of these plants, the spinach, the arugula, or the Bibb lettuce. I'm sort of curious as to which one is going to grow the fastest. I also want to know if there's a difference in the way the seeds look. I'm going to take the gloves off for a minute so I can look at each seed. Oh, okay. This is a spinach seed. Not sure. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to put it right there. You guys see it? My spinach seed. Maybe I need to put it right here. Kind of blends in. Did you see it? It's right there. Let me put it, how about if I put it on the back of the packet? There. I think you can see it, but I'm not 100% sure because, what if I go out. There we go. So there is the seed for the spinach. It's round, if I'm looking at it, and it's kind of a tan color. So I'm going to put a couple of spinach seeds in there. Okay. All right. Now, on my container, I'm going to write spinach. So it's really important. We've been learning how to write. So if you can write any of these words, spinach, S, slither over, letter S, P, I, N, A, C, H, spinach. And if you can't write it, do the best you can. But if you need help, you can ask your mom or your dad or Nana for some help. All right, so that was the spinach seed. I'm going to put some more dirt on that in just a little bit. All right, let's look at the lettuce. Oh, now this looks totally different, friends. The spinach was kind of tan. You see that? You can see it a little bit. The lettuce is very black or dark brown, and it's much smaller. Much smaller. And you'll have some of this to plant too. I'm looking forward to seeing how this all works for you. So that was also kind of long and skinny. And the spinach was more of a circle. Really, it was a cylinder. Or not a cylinder, it was a sphere, like a ball. Okay? All right. And the lettuce was just really long and skinny. All right, now this, oh, I didn't write lettuce, did I? All right, let's write lettuce first. Yeah, L. E. T. T. U. C. E. Lettuce. Okay, so we've got our spinach and our lettuce. And now we're going to put in our arugula, which is a type of lettuce. Oh my goodness, this is even more different. These are teeny tiny little tan balls. So we had the bigger kind of off-white tannish balls. Do you guys see this? Yeah. These are, again, they're not long and skinny like the lettuce. The arugula is little tiny spheres. All right? So they all look totally different. So let me write arugula. Yeah, my cup has got a little hole in the bottom, so some dirt's falling out. A-R-U-G-U-L-A. And that is a yummy type of lettuce. The really cool thing is, and let me put my glove back on, is if you grow these, wrong one, if you grow these vegetables, you could be plant eaters just like the dinosaurs. So that's pretty cool. All right, putting my dirt on top. Putting my dirt on top of the lettuce. So the arugula, the lettuce, and now putting my dirt on top of the spinach. So I'm all done with my shovel. So I do need one thing that I still need to do for these plants. Do you know what I need to do? I need to pour water on them. So I've got to go get some water. I'll be right back. All right, friends, so I'm back. I went and got my water. So I'm going to stand up so I can pour some water on each one. Here we go. There's the spinach and the lettuce. A little water. Whoop. And the arugula. All right, so friends, what we're going to do is I'm going to let these guys sit out or sit in the sun. And once they start growing and we start seeing little plants, it's great because I can take these little cups that are made to put straight into the ground, into the dirt. So I'm going to put them into a larger area in the outside garden. But for now, we are just letting them start to make little plants. Now let's see, on the back, it should tell us how long. Okay, this says it's going to take a while, about a month. I don't know how long it'll take before we start seeing it, but before we can start picking some spinach, it's going to be about a month. Oh, this says we're going to start seeing some plants in maybe 5 to 8 days in the arugula. That's exciting. And this lettuce says 7 to 10 days. So, based on the back of this, I think we might start seeing the arugula plant before any of them. But we'll see. All right, friends, I'm excited for you to plant your spinach, your lettuce, and your arugula. See you later. Bye-bye.